Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to show you how to restart or continue in numbering list in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. In this document here are many numbering list. We select a numbering list and click right button. Then click set numbering value. Set value 1. Then click OK. Now we see number is started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.